The best way for organizations to manage these agents is to extend and utilize existing solutions you have in place today with a use to manage users within the unified solutions available from your Microsoft 365 ecosystem. And Microsoft have packaged that into what is known as Microsoft Agent 365, which is the centralized control plane for AI agents. The identity and data, permission, and governance is all baked into Agent 365. The questions that all organizations must answer today is, what is this agent and who owns it? What data and tools can it touch? Can you see what it did and prove it? And lastly, can you retire it cleanly when its job ends, similar to a user? Agent 365 enables your security team to implement controls across identity, data, and security operations that makes it simpler and easier to answer these questions.